Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials, your 12-digit Aadhar or the 28-digit enrollment ID plus the mobile number used at enrollment. Once done, open the UID tracking page or call the helpline, choose the faster option for you. Enter the enrollment ID exactly and request an OTP to validate your session. This confirms you are the right recipient. Make sure to type the OTP promptly, because it expires. This step unlocks the current status and estimated delivery. Once authenticated, you will see status codes and timestamps. Read them carefully so you understand what stage the card is in. If it says printed, expect processing, dispatched or in transit means postal handling, delivered means the post office logged delivery. Make sure to note the last known location and date, because that helps if you escalate. Take a screenshot or copy the reference number. This saves time if you later contact UID or the Postal Service for follow-up. To complete the process, monitor updates daily until the status shows delivered, then confirm receipt at your address. If there is no movement after dispatch, wait 7 to 10 working days before escalating. Postal systems can be slower in remote areas. If needed, call the UID helpline with your enrollment ID and screenshot, and also visit the local post office if tracking shows out for delivery. Bring ID and proof. Troubleshooting tip: if records differ, document everything and request a formal inquiry immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.